This program contains content that may not be suitable for viewers under the age of 18. Viewer discretion is advised.
Ruzungu kadera zuku tujikole sawa namba ruzungu.
Ruzungu tujikole namu za kujele kutoka ntoko ndi mbuzi ndi hapo ndi ana bora babaddi abachala wale so mwiramba inyembuto katonda ya chembuto genda weji waminge yabawereza buno bukeke obutini
singa babu mutwale bamusonseka mukamwa bwonna nawufulumiza mu nnyindo
kibwa ina guno omugogwa Musa wayitista biblia mu detergent
waliwo wanangabi ebola yakasajja kasendi kalimba bannange sendi bannange.
Hi everybody, and welcome to yet another edition of Kasuku Live. Like we always do, we are straight from TMR Golden Living Specialized Hospital, Wano Enaria. Yes, and today's Speak to the Doctor. Tuline Dr. Consolate. Conso. So like short form is Conso.
Konsi.
Conse.
Konsi.
Konsi. Konsi.
Yes.
So that is like the sexy version.
Yeah.
Consolate. I've not met so many people that have that name.
Yeah, there are few.
There are very few.
Quite few.
Is it still a modern name?
Dichari
yo stock?
Sinabala mu stock.
Abapia.
Fa baliko.
Kali. And she's a pediatrician. Akichigambe chalinga chinsombwa. Pediatrician. But I think the right word to say is pediatrician.
Pediatrician.
Or
Depending
pediatrician.
on where you studied from, but it is okay.
Where you studied from or where you came from?
Where you studied from.
So for you studied where?
I started from the village. I mean, not say the other version, but let's go with pediatrician.
Okay. But anyway, you're qualified. So pediatrician yajanjaba abaana, right?
Yes. Kuva ku mwana nga bakamuzala oba mutonga tana bakutuka oba up to 18 years. You are see a child up to 18 years.
Hey, up to 18 years?
Yes. If you come in this TMR, we are going to treat everyone up to 18 years.
18 years.
Yes.
So for you, you're basically about children.
Children only.
You don't specialize in this or this or this. You do generally children.
At the moment, I'm still a general pediatrician. Yes.
You're not yet specialized.
It's the super say cardiologist or nephrologist, not yet. Yes. But we have all those specialties here. The super specialists.
That's nice to hear. Now, today, speaking about children, I want us to look at some of the common diseases these days that people don't have so many answers about. Sickle cells.
Yes.
If someone talks about sickle cells, what comes to your mind?
So sickle cell, it's a genetic disease.
Genetical.
It's genetic, meaning you are born
with it.
You are born and in the body we have cells that carry your blood. That's the red blood cells. They are supposed to be in a shape, like a shape of a donut.
Donut.
That's a normal
round. With a hole in it.
With a hole in it. That is the HbAA. That's a normal cell. And it takes a long time to break down. But there comes a problem in your DNA when God is making you at the level of your DNA. So one of the proteins, the amino acid, is switched. There is a switch that happens When that switch happens, one protein that is supposed to be at a certain position crosses and goes to another. And then you completely form a different HB. HB is the red blood, is part of the red blood cell. So instead of your cell being a nice donut, it gets a sickle shape. The sickle, you know that machine we used to do bananas and like this? It is sickle.
Like this one?
Yes.
The one they used to cut?
Yes, exactly. Okay. So instead of...
It's like a question mark.
Yes,
like
a question mark. So instead of your cells being a nice donut, because of that switch that happens at a protein, valine and glutamate, your cells get a sickle shape. So, and you live with that, and it comes with complications.
So kantegere kino. Sickle cell. Chibera mugwe, you as a person during your formation.
Yes.
It is not what we hear until our blood group A, beyegatana wa blood group A, nebafuna sickle cell.
Tebiri mu blood group. Biri ku DNA. Nti katugwe bakuzadde oli muddugavu. Nze ndi mweru. Ntisobola kikyusa. Kati nakyo kyekiro kiri mu butonde. Katonda bw'aba akutonda. Awo ku DNA nga akola beera muwanvu, beera mumpi, beera munene. Kati waliwo switch yawo ku DNA ku y'omusaayi, red blood cells. Kati red blood cell n'ekiringo kye tuyita hemoglobin. So hemoglobin eyo ng'ekolebwa. Wabeerawo ka interswitch. Ka switch nga bwe kati. Erina okubeera wano nedda walala. Ku beta chain.
So you just be unlucky.
You just be unlucky. It is about the genetics doing their part. The switches happen and you become unlucky. And you find that you have your cells are sickled in shape. That is meaning you have sickle cell. Or you have 50 sickle cells, you have 50 normal cells. What we say that you are a carrier. So you will not get sick. You will be very normal. But you have sickle cells, you also have an A shape. A shape is the normal shape. The other one is S. So if you have sickle cell, all your cells at the HB has S. If you're a carrier, you have A and S. And for you are not affected.
Okay.
It is the other one that takes both. And comes from two parents. It is not about the omukazi oyo azaala abaana bwe bati. Kati bw'osanga mu family nti muzadde abaana nga balina sickle cell, it is automatic, it is from the father and the mother. Kuba taata alina okubaako ne kasero aka S. Ne maama ne ka S.
So someone can be a carrier.
Yes.
Nafuna omulala nga naye carrier.
Ne bateekebeza.
Sickle cell ne zijja. Oh, that's
kati
why
ne bazaala omwana. Bwe bazaala omwana Katonda bw'aba akola eyo switch asobola 25%. Kati bw'osanga omukyala carrier alina AS ne taata ne maama carrier alina AS. Kati kubeerako 25%. Nti bwe mwegatta process y'omwana okutondebwa. Omwana abeera ne 25% okuvaayo nga sikira. Abeera ne 25% endala okuvaayo nga mulamu. Naba ne 50% okubanga naye afuuse ki carrier. So tewali condition taata yagireeta oba maama yaleeta eno. Mwena mulina okukola ki? Kuba ne bwebanga maama yesikira ng'alina SS nga taata alina AA tebalizaala sikira. Bajja kuzaala ba carriers. Ba carriers bwe bagenda ne bawasa abaana nga ba carrier be bagenda okuzaala. Abana nga balina sickle cell.
So it is very possible very many people are carriers.
Yes, because kati mu Uganda there are regions where research has been made. Nga sickle cells mungi kati regions nga East Central, Busoga region, Jinja, Kamuli, their prevalence eri waggulu. Akakalanda aka trait kali as high as 18%. Ne mu Buganda ne Lango. So distribution eri waggulu by nature we don't know why it is like that, but science ekiteeka mu ngeri ya malaria nga bwetambula tropical region eraga abantu abali mu tropics
they are prone to getting.
Ate obadde okimanyi nti Uganda eri mu bifo 5 worldwide abalina sickle cell
worldwide.
Yes.
In the top 5 countries.
Mwetuli.
Wow.
Ate mu mwaka tuzaala abaana 200 baba ne sickle cell baba n'akalande ka sickle cell
mu Uganda.
Uganda 200 ku 200 kitundu. So chikulaga the likelihood nti omwana gozaadde Kasuku asobola
okubeera ng'ayina sickle cells.
So kiri naffe kingi ate tusobola kiraba mu maaso ate nekijja ne tukigendamu ne stigma toluusi omukyala amanya nti ayina n'asirika
n'atayogera
ne taata naye n'atayogera. So we have to fight the stigma, screening, okolebwa even before marriage. Temokebeza HIV, syphilis, hepatitis. Netulikayo sickle cell.
Naku zino churches zikyogerako nnyo nti as you come to do the whole thing of marriage, you need to test for AIDS and sickle cells.
Yes.
A lot.
Because sickle cell comes with lots of challenge, medical challenges, medical bills.
It's very expensive.
It is very expensive. A child is going to be sick most of the times. Is going to be put on a drug, we shall talk about it later, which is expensive. So it is hard, it is expensive to treat.
Sickle cell awona.
Sickle cell awona, waliwo emitendera egikolebwa n'owona. Naye esoboka mu Uganda nedda. Tekisoboka. Kuba waliwo tukola bone marrow transplant. Bakujjamu obusomyo obulina siiko ne bakuteekamu obwa donor talina. It takes lots of money. Okufuna donor, preparation, ne bw'oba ng'obufunye complications after surgery.
Bagamba actually we have one of our very own Jaden.
Yes.
He's in India right now, but every time waberanga down his feet because they said the after effects after the surgery, the transfers happened. Immunity is totally low or non-existent, so you have to be careful about.
From zero, from scratch.
Noddamu n'ozima. But kibeera kimutwalira bbanga nga ki obusomyo buno okumanyiira kati?
It takes lots of time because agenda mu chemotherapy, recovery, it's a long to build.
Does it take a year?
I can't, it's patient specific. Boyinza okujja nga gwe immunity eri bweti. Oli najja na recovering. So they may not be a time frame. Abamu bakola ne gene therapy, ne bakujjamu ne bagenda mu lab, ne manufacturing gene zo. Ezitalina sickle cell ne bakujjamu ezizo, ne bakuteekamu ziri ennamu. Nakyo kiri very expensive.
Very expensive, that must be.
So kati ffe wano mu Uganda tulina okufocusinga ku prevention, screening, prevention, n'okutandika obujjanjabi nga bukyali. Obujjanjabi obutuufu. Bawaliwo obujanjabi nze nzijanjaba sickle cell nkuwa habbo tewali habbo ekola ku sickle cell. Teriyo. Kati begenda kwonoona bwonoonyi organs which are already struggling.
So which treatment ideally is here for sickle cell abantu gye bamiramirako?
So waliwo eddagala lye tukuwa erikyusa obutafaali bw'oku DNA level. It is recommended tuyita hydroxyurea. Kati omwana bw'azaalibwa abeera mu n'obutafaali bwe tuyita fetal hemoglobin, HbF. Kati ye fetal hemoglobin ekola mu ngeri ya nomo eya teyatika mangu erwawo mu mubiri. Obwa sickle cell bwatika after like 20 days breaking down. Naye kati eno eya fetal yeerwawo. Kati waliwo eddagala lye twazuula nti bw'olimira buli lunaku lukola ku DNA ne lukyusa obusomo byo ne lutandika okufulumya F. Kati bw'ofulumya F kitegeeza nti S zijja kuba ntono. Noba ng'ofulumya FF, HbF ne busi obukosi bugiramu naye bw'olibeerako ennyo butandika okukendeera. Kati awo n'otafuna nnyo infections, n'otafuna pain ne complications endala ezijja amagumba, stroke, acute chest syndrome. Kuba kati ekisinga okuleeta abaana mu ddwaliro triggers, dehydration, infection, bino ebifuba, kofulu, najjamu pneumonia.
Omuntu asobola okufuna ekifuba n'atandikira awo.
Oba n'omunyiiza ne stress.
wama twalina nga abaana ku ssomero nga temumunyiiza mumuleke abeeraawo biki
okumunyiiza empewo enkuba etonnye omusana gumwokyeza but the most important trigger is infections. Afunye malaria bwatyo yali tebatera nnyo funa malaria because they are protected a bit. Naye infections there's a bacteria, pneumonia, stomach problems, ear infections. Ebyo bireetera ddala crisis.
But is it true nti aba sickle cell they cannot go beyond maybe like 30 years or 20?
It used to be in the past, but the medication has come. And we are even having sickle cell patients that have families, they have grandchildren.
Ng'oli alina sickle cell?
Ngali myaka 5. Kati kwalo betulabako nga bali myaka 5 mu 5.
N'azaala?
Awasa n'azaala. Kati obujjanja butuuse kweyo level nti omuntu asobola okubeerawo ku ddagala eryo.
But the symptoms era zisigala weeziri.
Zisigala bujja muko naye buba butonotono.
Nina mukwano gwange yafa sickle cells. Nenga leero muba mutudde naye kati nga wano munyumya baasanyuka ennyo ogenda olaba nenga bamuwa there is that thing oba eddoodo that soup from those I don't know why eddoodo or something like that I think that purple
take beetroot
beetroot works
tekola naye kyekuyambako nti bw'oba onywa kuba tugambye dehydration ireeta attacks ezo pain. Kati bw'oba onywa beetroot zona ogamba nze buli lunaku lita zange 2 kiyamba omubiri okubeera n'amazzi dehydration.
That's the science around it. There's nothing like oba erina kyeyongera ku immunity yo.
Erina kyeyongera kuba n'abantu ba sickle cell tebeetaaga iron nti bakuwa syrup y'omusaayi tekola kuba already obyala ne iron overload okutafaali bwo breaking down buli 20 days. So obyala ne lots of iron. So kati gwe akachole bwonywa nnyo ebintu ebinaakuwa nnyo iron.
Ate byongera kukunafuya kuwaliza ddala kuba already olina excess iron. Kati batugamba nga nti baba tebalina musaayi.
Omusaayi babeera na anti byanjawulo. Kuba waliwo omusaayi ogwa the hemoglobin that needs carrying oxygen gye batayina naye kati ekiringo kiva mu breakdown babeera nakyo kiyinza okukuzubalira okutegeera naye babeera ne hemoglobin nga tekola naye omusaayi bwe gwatika gukuwa iron naye baba tebagyetaaga. But if you do the iron levels are high. What about tetubawa folic acid? Tetubawa folic acid because ye yamba chi? Yamba mu DNA synthesis. What about folic nabwo bulungi mu nkola yabo ukola ku DNA the improved DNA repair supplementing ako wali ku hydroxyurea.
Sickle cell is a very tough disease.
So it is very tough but it is very if you get in hands of a good hospital, a good doctor, and you start the right medication, I have children that can finish the whole term. Ngatomulabye. One term bid. Tuya neba mama nga batandika hydroxyurea agamba omwana ono myaka 3 sibiranga ko admitted.
Hydroxyurea. It's a new drug. It's been here.
It's been here with us. It's been here because baso kajukozesa mbalwadde ba cancer ati ne bakola research ne bagenda okulaba
nga neno
likyusa obutafaali ne budda mu F ate n'otalwala nnyo ne batandika bwete ne bakola trials nga nyingi tuliwa even starting from 9 months basooka okutuuliwa abaana abakulu abaana bato naye kati ku 9 months tulitandika ewabwera balina syrup yaalyo ye balitandikirawo bwe bakuzaala ba screeninga kusanga olina SS tebakulinda kujja ne complications.
Well, you can always come by here at TMR n'obuuza Dr. Consolate. She's a pediatrician with kids up to 18 years. Sickle cell is a very, very, very serious issue in this country. I don't know oba ne funding yaabwe government yagyongeza ku their institute there, but there is so many gaps and so many things people need to talk and know about sickle cells, the myth. Kati ffe tulanga batuga nti omuntu alina okunywa beetroot owa sickle cell. Ate kati otugambye kujjako bino ebya hydration biki tewali nnyo. Kiri awo nti kyekola so. Ekitegeeza kati tulina so many theories we need to demystify.
Yes, and also people have stigma about the drug. There is a drug that teyina buzibu. Bamaama abamu bajja ne bagaana hydroxyurea. Nanga it is the only drug that works.
That will help
that
people.
Will help them to not come to hospital frequent times. Ne bafuna ka pain. Kamala we na kubiri. Omwana asobola okufuna pain ne mmala ko week.
Wa sickle cells.
Nabimuluma.
Pose immune tebeera totally affected yonna.
Immune nebeera affected. Anti bw'obutafaali bwe buba butambula. Jjukira tukamye bulusiiko. Bugenda ne bwekwatira mu busuwa obutini. Muno mu ngalo mu kifuba mu bwongo kati bwe wekwatira kati bw'ofuna ataaka ne bwekwatira mu katika mu kisaba mu kigere pain wakati busalako oxygen muteyingira omusaayi nga tegugendayo. It has lots of science that happens around it.
Yeah,
it's complex and it attacks from head to down. Naye bw'oba mu ddwaliro ng'abasawo bakugoberera, they will tell you, hey, there is a risk here. Let me increase your drug. Let me reduce your drug. Let me follow up how your immunity is doing.
Yeah. Kani, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
We've worked with so many doctors here, and you're just part of the few that really keep time. Most times they are busy, maybe doing something. Yeah. But when they said 3, we said, okay, let's be here at 3. Tugenzo kuja a few minutes, actually 10 minutes plus to 3, you were here. I think that's what it means handling children.
Yes,
you have to be around. Time and yeah. So kati abana bebajjanga balwadde oso mulina mukuba empiso. Oba siggwako bempiso.
Kati nze ku level yange sikuba mpiso mpozi nga ogikuba taliwo oba nga nesanze mu place nga nzaaliko nzeka. Bankuwa expert opinion. Nameddagala lino yino muwa kye tulina okukola embeerawo nga supervisor wo.
Kuba mandenge nakubuuza nti don't you feel bad when you have to inject a baby?
You don't feel bad because you are trying to help them. If you don't do it, for example, mwana aze addukanya amazzi gamuweddemu. Kati okumuteekako akaiso n'akaaba n'omuwa amazzi era kulaba nga ati wali side yesinga.
Okay. Noze byokuba abasawo olina okuba nga wasibalo ebintu n'obiraba. But yeah, for today, the first time we have Dr. Consolate
at Haire.
And today we've been talking about sickle cells. Those who want to reach out to her, so we're gonna call Golden Living app, TMR Golden Living app. You drop your questions for her. She'll always be in position to answer them. And yeah, we are beginning now with sickle cells. You could send us a few topics you want us to talk about as regards children, their skin diseases, their neurological issues and all those things that you can always ask us about, and we shall always forward them to her. And then when we come around, we can try to, break it down. Sickle cell tumwogeddeko nnyo extensively, because we now want to leave a reason why you have to come here and talk to Dr. Atuhaire Consolate. It's Consolate?
Consolate.
Okay. Abakatoliki tulina Consolata.
Ndiri eryo.
You a Catholic? Oh, Bambi. Fantastic. Kale, for now we are going to leave it at that. Mubeere bulungi. Mweraba.
The views expressed on Kasuku Live do not reflect those of the hosts, producers, or management. They are solely of individuals providing them and do not represent or reflect the official policy or position of this YouTube channel.
Luzungu kade Kasuku tujikole sawa namba Luzungu.
Luzungu tugenda mu kujjere kutoka ntoko ndi mbuzi ndi enkuno ndi ala bora babaddi abakyala
Wale somoyo mbenye katonda ya chembuto genda weji waminge yabaweereza buno bukeeke obutini
singa babu mutwale bamusonseka mukamwa bwonna n'abufulumiza mu nnyindo
kibwa alina guno omuggo gwa Musa wayitista bibiliya mu detergent
waliwo wanangali ebola yakasajja kasendi kalimba bannange esendi bannange